Hey all, welcome back. Jim here. We're doing a little video, a little different. My daughter, Heather,
There
and
she
her
is.
future husband showed up.
Henry.
So I'm going to put him to work and put him in one of the videos. So Henry, as you might notice, got a little height on me. But in standing up these walls, the biggest difficulty we had, believe it or not, just the two of us, Linda and I, was holding these posts up, because we're not very tall. And these things are stretched out there at about 11 feet high.
I thought you said they were 15.
I don't know, 11 or 15. So, with Henry here, obviously he's going to be a big help. We're just going to set the posts up. We're not standing the wall up yet, because everything's too wet. But at least if we could get those set up, would be a step ahead. So, let me see which screw I got to use. And we're going to, first thing we're going to do is unhook this one. I've already taken the liberty of unhooking everything. So I just got to take one screw out and then we can move it. And it will probably take the two of us. We might have to go up that way just a little bit, because that gooseneck I was talking about is kind of down over. So you got to kind of unhook it. Alright. So she's not really going to go anywhere, because, like I say, she's hooked up there. Okay, that's... And this is where she's going to hook up, is right... Now the goal...
This is the second 48-foot
See how it's
wall.
right on the seam
Jimmy
there,
finished
okay?
it yesterday.
We got a seam right here, and that's... So we're going to put it right here, straight up and down. Okay, ready? Okay, we're gonna stand it up. Okay. Yeah, as long as it stood up, then it's not quite so bad.
You gotta turn it around, right?
Hopefully it's not quite
Yes,
so bad.
Henry. Yep.
Yep. Okay. Now, you go first. Okay. Try to keep it straight up and down.
Okay.
Yep, straight up and down. Okay, there we go. Now,
That's a little bit.
Watch your feet.
okay. Now we got to go straight in. Right there. I want those holes to be right over that crack. If you can,
I'll go a little bit that way.
right there. Okay, now, yeah, if you can, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay, stay right there. You want to put your hands on it? I sure hope I can lower that down after.
The cable, Jimmy?
Yeah.
Should you do it now, honey?
No.
All right.
Put the right bit in there and that'll be all right. Okay, I wouldn't let go yet, but that take a little bit of strain off it. Okay, now this here I have to. Combination here to release this thing.
Oh, there it comes.
Is it? Okay. What I gotta do is all right. Hang on to it right there.
What are you doing? What are you doing with the cable,
Well, I should
Jim?
have stretched the cable out first because I don't have any weight on it.
Oh. Oh, don't put it up there, honey.
Have to.
It's slippery.
I have to. It's not slippery, honey. Okay. We'll stretch the next one out before we do this. Got it? Yeah. Many hands make the work easier. If you can lean it back just a little bit. No, back towards you, Henry. There you go. Whoops. All right, you should stay there. Yep. All right. This cake, right?
One done. Okay, one down, and this is the last one, the second one.
We're going on this scene here.
I got it.
Right there, that should work. Yep. Hold it right there like that. Got it?
Yep.
Right there. And that is how you get those things out.
Nice.
Now with somebody like Henry's help, tell you what, piece of cake.
Hey, Miss Heather,
You take
where are
this.
you? There you are.
Two small people trying to do it.
Heather's
Short. I
small,
shouldn't
but
say
she's
small,
dynamite.
Short. Short, just don't have the leverage. And I don't know if there's an easier way. You know, if the pin was out, could you still stretch it up there? I don't know. I have to investigate that on the next wall. So thanks for watching right now, and we'll continue this video at a later date when it's not raining and not everything's wet. Fortunately, we had about a half-hour window here. The only wet was me kneeling on the floor. So anyway, we'll catch you later.
God bless. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Take care.
Well, as you saw earlier, we set the jacks up, and I had my daughter and future son-in-law helping. We're going to stand that wall up today, and I wanted you to get a perspective from down here as the wall goes up. And I'm going to wear my GoPro up there so you can see Linda and I on the other end.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Thanks for watching. Jim and I are getting ready to put up the second 48-foot wall. So we think we know what we're doing this time. Anyways, it is Sunday, June 25th.
All right, here we go. We're just going to take it easy. Ready?
There she is. Big monster. Monster board. Well, the two monster walls are done. The 24-footers are going to be a piece of cake. Of course, that's easy for me to say since
Because they're half this size.
Jimmy did this entire thing by himself except for some wood I cut. Good job, Jim.
Thank you, honey bun.
Excellent. All right.
All right, so thanks for going along with us. Hopefully we're in the picture. Can't tell. We probably
Well,
are.
come up here.
All right.
You can walk a few more steps. I know you're tired. It's Sunday. We shouldn't be working at all.
And it's humid. Wow.
It says
Well,
it's 86. What? That's a hawk. We have a lot of hawks and a lot of bald eagles in this state.
All right, well, thanks for watching.
Yep.
This will be posted here before too long.
God bless. Have a nice Sunday. Kiss and hug your family. You never know what's going to happen. Thanks for watching.